Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE without the password. Okay, but in the beginning I will tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. For the first method we are going to use the Find Hub, and let's pretend for now that this phone isn't locked, but basically each step that I'm going to show you for the first method you need to repeat on any other device. So open up your browser, now type Find Hub, just like that, click on the first link. Also make sure that in here you are logged into the same Google account on which you're logged in on your Samsung. Then select your Galaxy Flip 7 FE and click on Factory Reset Device. You need to also remember that you will lose all of your data. You need to remember about it. If you do that process in this method and also in the second method, you will lose all of your data permanently from your device. So for example, if you have a backup, you won't have that problem because you can always restore the data. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you how to do it, so if you want you can look for it. You can read about those conditions right now on the screen. So for example, if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online, and after the reset the device location will not be available in Find Hub. Now all you need to do is to tap on next, then you need to type the password to your Google account, and if you do everything properly your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that was the first method, and now let's go with the second one. And now we normally use our device, we want to unlock it but we cannot remember the password. And what to do now? First let's plug our device using the USB-C cable into PC or laptop. It can be also Mac, so don't worry. Alright, so now it's plugged in. And now we need to perform the force restart, and during the force restart we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So first make sure it's connected. Now we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. Okay, and now hold power button and volume up button at the same time. When Samsung logo appears, release the finger from the power button but keep holding volume up. Okay, now it's our recovery mode. To move around this menu we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data / factory reset. Watch out, you will also lose all of your data. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now again select factory data reset. Confirm again. You can now see on the bottom of the screen that data wipe has been completed. Now select Reboot System now, tap the power button, and within a second our device will be turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to set it up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.